Hi guys, how's it going? So I got this Samsung TV that I repaired previously a year and a half before. At that time, it was completely dead. I got it completely in not working condition, and I opened the back, and um, I found the main fuse blown, and after inspecting the power supply, I found that one of the MOSFET was blown as well. So I changed that MOSFET and put a new fuse, and the TV started working again. So this time the customer came back with another issue. So let's see the model number of the TV first. I know you can't see that, but I'll read that for you. Oh my god, even I can't read that. UN49KU7000FXZC. So that's the model number of the TV, and let me explain the problem. So I'm going to put the power cable in. Oh yeah, it's not powered off, sorry. So as soon as I put the power cable in, even without touching the power on button on the device or on the remote, it started to flash like this. So as you can see, the left part of the screen is flashing and the right part is completely dark. So let's open the TV and see what's going on. So to open this back cover without no screws, there's a trick, this is the only way. So as you can see, there's a small hole here that I need to insert something. So now I got scissors, so I'm gonna insert that here, and then I lift it up. See, so this side is open. Same I do with all the sides. See, I have enough nail. This helps a lot. These are clips that's locking the back cover to the chassis of the TV. I have to pause the video because I need to use both my hands. Sorry about that. So here you go. So this is the back side of the TV when the panel is removed. So you can see this is a power supply board, and one second. This is the previous MOSFET I replaced for him a year before, and I put a new fuse on top of that other fuse, the blown fuse too. So this time we can check the backlight, or we can check the main board first. So for that you need to remove this one and put the power cable back. So for the Samsung LCDs, if you remove the cable from power supply to the main board, when the backlight is attached, if we put the power cable in, the backlight should turn on. No, it's still flashing. So that means the main board is okay, but the power supply board or the backlight has an issue. So as you can see, this is my backlight tester, and I have removed the backlight connector from the power supply board. So let's do a test. It got 4 wires, that means it got 2 sets of strips. So let's check each one. I'm assuming that this is the positive and this is the negative. No, I was wrong. Yeah, plus and minus. No, so this is plus and this is minus, I think, or like this. Yeah, we got 76.6 volts. Sorry, it's a bit tricky. Yeah, 76.6. I'll show you how do I attach that. So let's test the other set of LEDs. .6. That's the left side. No, I mean right side of the screen. Okay, so the LED lights seems fine. Let's check the voltages. I might need to pause the video to take my multimeter and stuff. So 1 second. So I think you can see my multimeter. So it's in DC mode. The power cable is attached. I'm going to check the main filter capacitors. 389 volt. Okay, seems good. And the LED voltages, I'm checking that jumper wire JP809, 308 volt. So that means the power supply board is supplying the correct LED voltages. I'm checking the no load LED voltage. So let's attach the LED strips and let's see what happens. Okay, it starts to blink. Now check the filter capacitors again. 404, 403, but it's fluctuating. So let's check the LED voltages. 100, 75, 71, 164, 1. So that voltage fluctuates as soon as I attach the LEDs. Okay, here I will tell you a situation. So the LED tester has a limitation for current. So even if the LEDs shows the right voltages with this tester, sometimes the LED strip has a fault or a leakage LED or a so it's not an open LED for sure, but I think it's a LED that is malfunctioning and draws current through that. So that's why that strip is that side of the display is dark, and I think this side of the display, this strip is okay I think, but still that side has an issue. That's why it's recycling the same situation. Okay, so let's open the display and check the complete LEDs. So quick sheet. All removed. And here are the LEDs. These are bottom mount LEDs. So this is what happening when I open the back, but these LEDs here are not blinking. So the left side blinks but not here. Hi, so here I got the LEDs. Let's see how it goes. So I have replaced the faulty one with the new one. Here I have the faulty one and the new one for the other side. So let's see. I'm going to connect it. Yep, it's working. Put everything back in place. So don't forget to connect all these connectors here. Cables, this power it on. You might need, yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and follow my channel for more videos in future. Thank you.